Welcome, everyone. We'd like to thank you for coming here today. And this is Cloud. And what Cloud is, we are a decentralized data storage company that also deals and specializes with NFTs. We work with the blockchain and Web 3.0, and we help the common everyday person get comfortable with using this new technology and to be able to walk you through it in layman's term. And if you have a more advanced understanding of this type of thing and you know how to write code or things of that nature, you make websites, then this might be something for you too, where you can get on the back end of it. So what we're going to do right now is show you how to mint uh, uh, your artwork right here and mint your NFTs right here in Metaplex. Okay, so 1 second here. Okay, right here with Metaplex, what you're looking at here is this is one of the platforms that's very prominent in today's NFT market. And the main one and the largest one at this time is going to be OpenSea. But Metaplex gives you the opportunity to work this thing, expand it in a different way, but it also uses a different cryptocurrency. Uh, OpenSea uses Ether, which is on the Ethereum platform. And right now with Ether, the way the market is, it has a high gas rate, and the gas rate is the fees that you pay to have this information processed. And with the growth of Bitcoin and Ether, it kind of had the back end of it where it wasn't ready for the explosive growth that took place. So the gas fees got real high. With Sol and Solana, the gas fees are very minimal and low, so it allows for these processes to take place without you paying more money just to process the actual activity than it is for the particular product. So here with Sol, we get to keep the gas fees low, which allow you to really profit more and see more of a return of your work. And when we mint this, you'll be able to see how much it costs a minute. And it's really pennies on the dollar, where actually it can be a heftier fee when you're dealing with Ether. So that's a and they're using pretty much the same platform, the same similar things. And actually, with OpenSea, they are now offering Soul too. So they are incorporating into their platform because they know the benefits of it, which is a great thing. So that's why we're gonna start here right now. So you come right here. This showed you how to buy things of that nature. Uh, where it says live and or ended, those are auctions that you can have to sell your NFTs. And I've done that before too, and we will cover that also. But what we're going to do right now is go ahead and set up to get you going here. So what we have to do right now is we're going to have to connect to the wallet to make this happen. So what we're going to do is connect to our Phantom wallet, and I'll pull that up right now. Give me a second here. And now I'm going to have to put in the password here. And give me just a second while I enter this. And just a moment when we get this going, and when I unlock this, boom. Okay. Boom. Now, good deal. Now let me switch back over here. And once we got that going, let me switch up another category here. And I'm back on tab. Okay, give me just a moment and we're going to switch back over. I had to switch the screens back over. So now we're logged in here. And you can see right at this particular position up top, that's an address, which is really my wallet. It's my name, it's my identification. That's where my 12 word code is. And when I click on this now, you will see. 1 second. Boom, good deal. It says add funds, disconnect, sell, create. And that's what we'll create the NFTs. And see, you'll see Soul is doing this thing right now, how much Soul that I have right now, and that's the value for the Soul. So I will come here to create. What we're going to do right now, we get rid of mini NFT. So when I click on create, this is what we get. You get image, video, audio. What type of file are we uploading here? Okay. Are we loading a web asset? It could be something from your website. HTML, it could be more in-depth stuff that you're planning into your image, and you can put that also. So we'll come here first, and we're going to go ahead and upload an image here. So we'll go here. It's different ways you can do it. I have a lot of my stuff where it's stored already on CID. It's already in the format where it's been converted over, and I will use that. But we're going to let the system do it itself, where it's going to create the CID, which is the content identifier. So I will come here and I will look for a particular photo that I want to use here. And let's see if I can find one real quick. And I'm trying not to use one that I've already used so I can get that done here. And it might be a little difficult for me to find something here. And I'm going to go find it because I'm showing you too much of my stuff here. So let me find something right quick that I can use. See if that one will not. I don't think that one's going to go. Let's go with it. See if it does. If it will accept that file. Okay, let's go. Continue to mint. Let's see if it shows. Boom. Okay. I will give it a name. And I call this one Sky Eye. Okay. But I will come here and is this a parent collection? I would say yes. And what that's going to do is going to mint it as the master of this particular thing. So when I get ready to make copies, this is going to be my master. So I just put a description in here for it. And most of the time I'm just going to write something real quick here just to say create NFTs here. I just put that there, but you know, you really could describe what the picture is, what it is, and what the overall concept of your artwork. That's really what you will put here. And you know, this is Sky, and I'm not going to go into a lot of detail right there, but this is just to show you how it would start out. And I will come here, probably just go in and just put the website in and cloud. Boom. But I would go more in depth with the actual description. So I'll go to royalties. Now, this is one of the main things that people want to see. And here's where you said anytime that this product is sold, redistributed, it will pay you automatically a percentage of that. So whatever the new owner sells it for, or it could be a print copy of what you have, that you will get a percentage. So normally I would set mine like at 12%. That just number I picked out for myself. So this is how much each secondary sale will be paid out to the creators. So this is you keeping control of your master. You set your royalty. This is inside the smart contract. No one can change it but you. And then we come down to the next part where it says create a split. So if you have a partner or a collaborator that you're pretty much working on this particular project with, then you will go there. This is my name, address, my identifier for my particular wallet. Then if you collaborated with me or we did something together and we could say it's a 50-50 split, I will put in for mine, it'll be 50%. I would add you. That's what would be add another creator. And that would always be added before time in another part of the system. I will already have you in there. Then I will go and click on you. Then we'll do the split for 60-40, 80-20, whatever it will come out to be. And we will set that at that. But right now, just me doing this particular project. So I'll come here and continue to review. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is you look at, it tells you everything here. To creation, provide detailed description of creative process with your audience. And once again, I will go into more detail as I would on my description to really describe the artwork that you have. Okay, now this is the percentage that I'm going to get every time it's resold. Cost to create 28 cents. That's it. That's what it'll cost you to have this transaction done. That's the beauty of Soul. It's very low overhead on transaction fees. And see, that's what the main thing crypto and cryptocurrency was really invented for, is really so underserved communities can really be in the banking community, and that they can use their smart devices in their computers to do these things and do these transactions, peer to peer, without any middleman jacking up the prices or anything. So this is the true nature of what you want to see when you're inside of using these particular programs and creating your NFTs. So what I'm going to do, you can come down and you can see here that you can pay with credit card, you can pay with Soul. So I'm going to go ahead and pay with Soul. Now it's going to go through the minting process. While it's going through the minting process, it goes here and it's asking me to approve the transaction. So you'll see it just goes. So I come here and Soul. This is my wallet. Approve the transaction. Tell me how much the changes and how much it might cost me to get this done. And that's, look how, so the one fee was just to get the process of minting done. And this is the actual transaction fee to exchange this information inside the network. And you see how much that is less than a cent. I mean, you can't look at the percentage of a Soul that is. So I will hit approve here. And once I hit approve, let me get back to that screen. Boom, now we're back there. And now it's going through the process of confirming everything. I will click again one more time to approve. Let me share this tab with you again. And it's going to show you what I'm paying to have this done and what I'm connecting with. And I am the local, I host this on my own server here, and it's showing that. And I hit the approve button. And in the process of doing that, we get the screen back up here again. Share the tab. Now it's showing that we've minted that NFT. So what I can do, I can go sell it in the auction. I can see it in my collection. And what I do is go and click on it and see it inside the collection. And it's taking its time to pull that up, and it's really processing everything, and it's going through that. And as it's going through that, I'll probably change screens a couple times. Let me go here to my items and see how it pulls up. And there we go. It's pulling up. And there we go. So that's just a quick overview of how you can mint an NFT. And right here, there's Sky Eye. I will click on that. It will show me I am the owner and creator. That's my royalty. You can view it on Airweave. Right now, it's unlimited. That means I can make any number of copies that I want to do. And then right here, once again, we really are minting one. You will go into more detail than I did right here on that to get that information out to your customers. Let's click on Airweave here and see what it does. And that just shows me some code. Yeah, cool. And there you have it. So it showed you inside of Metaplex that you can go in here. It's not really hard to mint the NFT, but you have to get your system set up. This is something that we can show you how to do if you want to host this locally on your own computer. Hey, man, we can help you do that. If you want to actually share your NFT on our marketplace, that's something that we really would recommend that you do, that you share that on our marketplace, and we can help you monitor it, maintain it. But if you have the time to do that, to monitor and maintain your system, it's a great place to start right here. And on our next one, we'll show you how to go into an auction and set this particular item up for auction. Okay, we thank you for your time. Please visit us. We have PDFs. We have a lot of information available. Book your consultation with us. Go to our website, safetypin.cloud, and then you can go there and book your 30-minute consultation or get you an hour, and then we really can tailor make and take this for you. We can set the parameters up for what you need for it to do, so you can get more of an understanding of the baseline back end part. You don't have to know everything, but we want you to understand where your royalties are, what the smart contracts do for you, how this allows for generational wealth, because we give value to the system. Once you put your artwork in here, once you invest your time and money, and then people come to participate in, which is happening worldwide, then you're going to be able to see the value in this, because it is value in this. It's high value in this. So honestly, we appreciate you for your time. Visit us, book a consultation. If you have any questions, contact us. Visit the website, and thank you for everything. And be ready for us. We're gonna do that auction. Okay.